fx is equal to this function here, and we are given 0 is less than x is less than equal to 12, m being a constant, where fx is the temperature in degree Fahrenheit at x stage. Is the function differentiable in interval 0 to 12? Justify your answer. Well, the function you can see is a polynomial function. fx is equal to minus 0.1 x squared plus mx plus 98.6. And the domain of this function is given 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 12. So you can say answer of first part is it is yes, it is differentiable. So the first part we can say yes. And region, justify your answer, being a polynomial function, right? So being a polynomial function, it's a polynomial function, right? And all polynomial functions are, being a polynomial function, it is continuous everywhere. Continuous everywhere. Therefore, it should be continuous in, therefore, continuous in this closed interval they have given, 0 less than x less than equal to 12. So part 1 is done. Okay, you need to write just this. And for part 2, is 6, if 6 is a critical point of the function, find the value of constant m. We know for the critical point, we have to find, this is the second part now. We must find f dash of x. And the derivative of this is minus x squared is 2x minus 0.2x plus m. At critical point, we know f dash x should be 0. Since x equal to 6 is a critical point, they say, it means f dash 6 should be 0. And f dash 6 should be 0. This will mean 0.2x plus m should be f dash of 0.6 is in place of x, you want to write, what is that, 6, its value, no, is equal to 0. So 6 into 2, 12 minus 1.2 plus m is equal to 0, or you can say your m should be 1.2. So the second part is done. Find the value of constant m, which is 1.2. In the third part, find the interval in which the function is strictly increasing or decreasing. To answer third part, let's write our function. Fx is equal to, our fx is minus 0.1 x squared plus, we got the value of m, which is 1.2, x plus 98.6. We are given our domain is 0 to 12. Now f dash x should be derivative of this minus 0.2x plus 1.2. And once we get this, we can write this function as minus of 0.2 common, and then x minus 6. This is our f dash x. Now to show increasing and decreasing, since x equal to 6, f dash x is equal to 0 gives you x equal to 6. They already said that 6 is the critical point. So this is the critical point, x equal to 6. We will see what is the value of f dash x when x is slightly less than 6. So that should be, this number should be negative, and negative into negative should be positive. So that is what we want to show. Slightly less means you take, consider 5. If you take x equal to 5, 5 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, and minus 1 into 0.2 is negative, minus 1 into minus, so plus. And if you take x equal to slightly bigger than 6, 6.1 you say, or 7, so you get negative number. As you see, f dash x is changing sign. This is f dash x, right? The f dash x is changing sign from positive to negative at x passes through 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 is whenever your f dash x changes sign from positive to negative, that is the point of maxima, isn't it? So x equal to 6 is point of maxima. But he's not asking maxima minima. He's asking the interval in which the function is strictly increasing or decreasing. So you can say 0. We were given this function in closed interval. You can say fx is increasing in interval. Since they have given the closed interval there, closed interval 0 to 6. We are taking closed interval 6 because this is a continuous function. So you can write increasing in this. And also fx is strictly decreasing. Fx is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. You should use this word strictly decreasing on closed interval 6 to 12. All right. So here also, please use that word because they're asking strictly. Okay. So this question, third part is also done. Now, if you have done all these three parts, that's fine. 1, 2, 3. Just in case you have no idea about this, or you are not confident answering your third part, there is a choice also, or find the point of local maxima, local minima, if any, and in interval 0 to 12. For in interval 0 to 12, there are only one critical point we saw, no? This or part, let's answer this or part also. We said f dash of 6 was 0, no? X equal to 6 was a critical point. And f dash of x, if we see back there, what was f dash of x? F dash of x was this thing. We'll find f double dash x. Okay, f double dash x will be minus of 0.2. Should we write it there? F double dash x is equal to minus of 0.2. Since this is negative, therefore fx is maximum. Means that temperature is maximum at x is equal to 6. X was number of days. So if there is intestinal infection after 6 days, the temperature is maximum. And in 12 days, let's see, they are asking the minima also. So to find absolute maxima, we only have one local maximum there in interval 0 to 12, open interval 0 to 12. Now for closed interval 0 and 12, we'll find the value of our function at x equal to 0. We'll find f6 and we'll also find f12. Since fx, let's go back there. Fx is this. So f of 0, x equal to 0 we put here. F of 0 is 0. Can I write it here? F of 0 is not 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 98.6. Now we want to find f of 6 also. Okay, all these three values. F of 6 is, can I write it here? F of 6 minus 0.1 into 6 square plus m was 1.2. 1.2 into 6 plus 98.6. So this is 3.6. This is 7.2, 98.6. 6, 6, 12, and 2, 14. So it's 4. Let me write this equal to 6, 6, 12, and 4. Okay. Now 8 and 18, 1, 9, and 1, 10. 108.4. Now let me find f of 12 finally. This is minus 0.1 into 12 squared plus 1.2 into 12 plus 98.6. So it is going to be 12 squared is 144. So negative of, I think we write this wrong because the first number was negative, wasn't it? Minus 3.6. We need to fix it. 108 fever is too much. Okay, let's fix it. So it is a positive 3.6. So it should be negative 3.6. 7.2 should be positive 3.6. And if you add 3.6 in this, 6 and 6 is 12. And 98 plus 2, 102.2. Yes, 102.2. Just one moment. So this much is negative of 12 square is 144. So negative of 14.4 and plus this is 14.4 and plus 98.6. So they should cancel and we should get 98.6. So we can see that the temperature is same normal body temperature, no? 98.6 for F12 means on the 12th day of infection. And on the first day was also, it was 98.6. But on the 6th day, the temperature is 102.2.